So there's another smaller group that's coming up, and it looks like they have an Antifa guy with them and a couple of other activists. They're marching up from the Capitol grounds. So what? Oh, they do. Okay, I'm shaded from the tree, so there's another group that's coming up. I don't know if Mr. Kipp, or what his name is going to be here. There's another guy filming. He's got his sidearm. In Arkansas, you can either carry either open or concealed. You're allowed to do that regardless of whoever you are. You do not need a license. You're not supposed to carry if you're a felon, and so I don't know. Yeah, you're right. Okay, there's another crowd coming up. So far, it's been absolutely quiet. I see the dog now. Okay, I'm going to see them as they walk on by. There's the guy from the Heat magazine. And there is some other folks coming up. They got a dog. There's some black, and they have guns. They have their firearms. Okay. Okay, I moved here to get in the shade again. And as you can see, there's a second group that's joined the first group. I still don't see anyone who is running for office. I'm sorry, I'm at an angle here. There's the guy with the bullhorn. That reminds me. I got earplugs. I don't know if any for you. Hey, Ken. Ken Yang is on. Hey, Beth. Hey, Tony. Hey, Rusty. Again,
Kipp Brown!
Oh, this is Kipp Brown. He says he is Kipp Brown.